So today I am going to meet up with a friend, grab lunch, and get some work done at a cafe. It's 95 degrees today and there's no AC in my house, so I was like, I need to go out and just be productive because I knew I wouldn't be productive at home. So yeah, let's go. This is my friend Amy. We're eating at the most Bay Area restaurant in Main Street. Oh, the mozzarella.
And then one biggest fries on and a spicy meat.
Can I get ketchup on top? And we got hot dog. I wanted egg waffle, but they did not have it on the weekend. So instead I got mochi. I am going to unbox my PR package. This is super exciting because it is from my favorite brand, 3 Times. So I kind of already opened it because I was so excited to see what they got me. It came in really cute packaging. They gave me like this little cloth thing that says 3 Times. The first thing that I have, these are so cute! Black booties with like lace detailing on the side. I'm pretty sure this is a bag. Like, look at this! This is perfect because it's like such a great size. Like, I could just like fit everything in this bag. And open. This is so cute. I've always wanted a cream colored bag like this. Okay, next is all the clothes that they got me. I ended up opening this one because I was so excited. Long sleeve black shirt. I feel like this would be a great basic in my closet. Ooh, they got me the crop version too. I did choose a few items, but I think they sent me so much more than I've asked for, which is so sweet of them. But this skirt is so cute. Every time I get a PR package, it just like, it feels like Christmas. It's like a little laced baby tee. I also got this little t-shirt. Oh, another baby tee. It says 3 Times. I really like their little detailing here. It has like a little sparkle. I know you probably can't really tell, but it's just like when you wear it, it looks so elegant. A little t-shirt with bows and ribbons. Oh. Ooh. This is really interesting because I feel like this is something I would never buy, but I'm really excited to style and see how I incorporate it in my closet. So cute. God, I saw these on their Instagram and I was like, I need to have these. They're like these cargos with like a bunch of like these ribbon lace-up detailing. White skirt and has like a little lace detailing in the back. I'm so excited to style these. Okay, one last thing to show you guys. Bought this jacket from the jacket maker and they were so sweet and sent this over to me. So cute. I picked it out and I was like, I'm so excited to wear this. I basically only have black and brown leather jackets, so I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to add a white leather jacket into my collection. It's so cute. California beaches are just something else. Like, if you come to California, you have to come to a beach. So let me give you guys an outfit of the day. This dress is from House of CV. Necklace is from YB Min. Hair clip is also from YB Min. This beautiful bag is from Rebag. coconut lemonade, and it's actually really good. We're going to go and shop around a little bit. Are you glad you came out today?
I do want to come out today.
You almost didn't want to come out today.
That's not true. I'm always the one dragging you out.
That's true. I wanted to stay in and sleep today.
Yeah.
But I'm really glad I
I
came
saw
out.
that. I saw that coming.
Ooh, which one should we get? We got our acai bowl. This. Really want. We are headed into San Francisco. It's literally been so long since I came into the city. I'm excited to get some good food and enjoy the beautiful weather because usually SF is super cloudy, but today the sky is actually clear. We just finished up lunch. We came to just like walk around the Fisherman's Wharf area. We just took some photos here. And now we're going to go to Chrissy Field. I am now going to my first influencer event, which is crazy. I don't know what to expect and I'm so nervous. I don't know why, I just feel scared to just socialize with people. But yeah, I'm sure it's gonna be super fun though because it's like a beauty event and they're launching their new lip liner. Currently walking over. The event also gave me a goodie bag. They gave us some goodies. I'm so excited. Hello guys, I am back home now. I had some dinner. Yeah, I feel super happy right now. Like, probably don't look like it because I'm so tired, but I'm so glad that I decided to just take myself on this cute little day and like go out. I feel like I really needed that. You definitely should just take yourself on a date. It could be just like getting ready, doing your makeup, putting on a cute outfit, and just getting coffee in like a nearby coffee shop and just sitting outside and enjoying it. It's really just like the mundane moments in life that should be making you happy. So that is my talk of the day. I just wanted to give you guys kind of like a little update about how I feel. And I will probably go sleep soon because I am so sleepy. Good night, guys.